friends, Jason Hetland here with the Rodeo Roundup. We are taking a tour of the enormous AT&T Stadium in Arlington, Texas. Right now we're up in the press box, and this is our view. There is not a bad seat in this facility. $1.3 billion to build. We're getting a lot of history on that, and I'll have a story coming up later, but I just want to show you this whole panoramic view all around here. They've got a nacho bar, popcorn bar full, and they even tap 2 kegs of beer. I know that all the rodeo fans and everything like that, but this goes all the way around down, and like I said, there's not a bad seat. You can come up here and get a full eye view of the entire game. We went to the Cowboys locker room, we went to the cheerleaders locker room. We're going to have pictures of that along with a story of some great stats from a stadium that is just about 10 years old right now, not even 5 years old. And Jerry Jones and the city of Arlington and the fans and the citizens of this great city have done an awesome job. But this is a panoramic view of the arena floor getting set for the Iron Cowboy and the American this weekend in Arlington, Texas at AT&T Stadium.